In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best food processors in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The Ninja Professional Food Processor is one of the more versatile models we tested. Its 9-cup capacity makes it as suitable for most food prep, and it easily accommodates a batch of cookie dough. It includes many accessories, including a crinkle cut disc, grating disc, reversible slicing and shredding disc, chopping blade, dough blade, disc storage case, and a recipe booklet. This machine performed well in our tests, mixing dough evenly and thoroughly, and easily slicing potatoes and carrots. It struggled a bit to smoothly puree hummus, particularly because its automatic shutoff wouldn't allow it to run longer than approximately 2 minutes at a time. The same issue arose when mixing dough, but was less problematic because less runtime was required. None of the machines we tested leaked, but the Ninja Professional Food Processor seemed to be specifically designed to prevent leaks. Its rubber gasket and locking mechanism creates a secure lid lock that easily snaps into place. It did register 93.8 dBA in use, making it one of the loudest machines we tested. While this machine may have some disadvantages, its versatility and overall performance still make it great value for money at under $100. Number 4. This budget food processor will fit your budget and your kitchen. It's not the largest processor you'll find, but the 10-cup bowl is large enough for prepping family dinners, and it's easy to empty if you need to shred multiple batches of veggies for coleslaw. This food processor has 2 speeds plus a pulse option, so your salsa will be as smooth or chunky as you like, while the bowl scraper can be used while the processor is running or off, so you can clean the sides of the bowl without needing to remove the lid. The latter feature proved to be a game changer when making basil pesto, which your testers said came out perfectly blended and creamy. The processor includes a reversible shredding slicing disc and a stainless steel blade for chopping, blending, pureeing, and more. When you're done prepping dinner, the work bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. Number 3. Not everyone needs a professional-level food processor, but if you frequently make French fries, pasta, pizza or pie dough, big batches of nut butter, or food for a big family, you'll get a lot out of this food processor. The Breville comes with a large bowl, a small bowl, and 2 feeding tubes to choose from. After testing, our reviewer found that the hummus and white bean spread she made turned out smoother and creamier than dips made using a more affordable food processor. The machine is quick and powerful. It's also quiet, solid, and sturdy. Since it's quite large, it might not be a good option if you only have limited counter space. If you do have room to keep it out, you'll appreciate the thoughtful design. For instance, built-in storage is available for the food processor's many accessories and slicing and chopping discs. This model is Breville's most expensive because it has the most features. For a more basic and affordable option, they also make the Breville Sous Chef 12. Equipped with a micro-serrated S-blade, it has a 12-cup bowl, 3 chutes options, 5, 2.75, and 1.5 inches, 2 settings, on impulse, and a variable slicing disc with 24 options ranging from 0.3 to 8 millimeters. It also comes with a reversible shredder and dough blade and has an auto-off safety feature for when the lid is unexpectedly opened during use. Number 2. The 13-cup Elemental from Cuisinart comes equipped with 2 work bowl sizes, 13 and 4 cups, to handle any size job. The 4 buttons, high, low, off, and pulse, have a rubberized cover, so they're easy to wipe clean, no knobs or nooks that can collect food, and feature blue LED lights. The wide-mouthed tubes feature small, medium, and large pushers, and the brand's proprietary seal-tight advantage system activates a super-tight seal on the bowl and locks the blade. This includes an adjustable slicing disc, 0 to 7 millimeters, so you can choose the proper thickness, a dicing disc with a 10mm grid, a reversible shredding disc for medium and fine shredding, a dough blade for mixing and kneading, and a stainless steel blade for chopping, blending, and emulsifying. It also includes a cleaning tool to help clean the nooks and crannies of the cutting accessories, and a storage case to keep everything contained instead of rolling around a drawer. Number 1. A true kitchen workhorse. This doesn't have a lot of fancy frills, but will get the job done easily. This brushed stainless steel food processor has 2 large paddle buttons, one for on and one for off pulse, and that's all you need for the machine to perform all of its functions. The 14-cup work bowl that's large enough for family cooking and has an extra large feed tube, so you won't need to cut ingredients like potatoes to make them fit. It has small and large pushers, so you can process the potato in one piece, or stand carrots up so they won't fall over while you slice or shred. This includes one shredding disc, one slicing disc, and a removable disc stem that fits both of them, along with a metal blade for chopping, mixing, blending, and emulsifying. When it came to kneading, our reviewer found that the swift-acting blade turned dough elastic in a matter of minutes with minimal effort. If you want a little color in your kitchen, this comes in a variety of colors to match your kitchen or your mood. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.